Samsung is getting ready to do something truly groundbreaking with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, something that has never been seen before on a smartphone display. The next-generation flagship is just a couple of months away, and leaks are already hinting at a revolutionary new feature that could completely change how users view privacy on their screens. Interestingly, the S26 Ultra won't appear at Samsung's upcoming Unpacked event on October 21st. That event is reportedly reserved for another major product launch. But what's coming afterward with the S26 Ultra might just be even more exciting. Recent reports from early One UI 8.5 beta screenshots have revealed a brand new display feature called Privacy Display. This feature is designed to make the screen visible only to the person directly in front of it, while blurring it out for anyone looking from the side. It's the same concept as a physical privacy screen protector, but this time built directly into the display through software and hardware-level integration. It's a brilliant solution for anyone who's tired of people sneaking glances at their phones in public places or during travel. Traditional privacy protectors often reduce brightness and touch sensitivity, but a built-in feature could eliminate those issues entirely if these leaks turn out to be true. Samsung may once again lead the way in mobile display innovation, but that's not the only big upgrade coming to the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The device is expected to feature next-generation display powered by code technology, short for color on encapsulation. This new tech promises a thinner, brighter, and more energy-efficient screen. In simple terms, it allows the display to produce higher brightness levels without consuming too much power. Interestingly, Samsung seems to be one step ahead of Apple once again, as the code technology is rumored to appear the 20th anniversary iPhone a year later. For now, the S26 Ultra will be the first to debut it. Samsung's focus this year ain't just on flashy specs like brightness and resolution. The company seems determined to make the display smarter and more practical, improving privacy, reducing glare with anti-reflective layers, and maximizing efficiency. Now, one of the most interesting rumors concerns the color options. There's growing talk that Samsung might introduce an orange variant of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. While some might think it's inspired by Apple's new Cosmic Orange iPhone 17 Pro lineup, history says otherwise. Samsung has used orange finishes on its flagship phones long before Apple did. The decision to bring orange back might simply be a nod to Samsung's bold design identity. Although nothing is officially confirmed yet, an orange Galaxy S26 Ultra would certainly stand out among the usual black, gray, and silver tones. The public reaction to this color choice will be worth watching, but Samsung's plans for 2025 go far beyond the S26 Ultra. The company is also preparing to launch two major products that could reshape its position in the tech industry. The first is the Samsung Galaxy XR headset, scheduled for release on October 21st. This device is being developed as a direct competitor to Apple's Vision Pro. While it might not match Apple's M5-powered headset in raw performance, it's expected to be far more affordable and still deliver premium performance. Samsung has reportedly worked with Google and Qualcomm to develop the software and hardware for this mixed reality device, which could make it one of the most optimized and user-friendly XR headsets available. The second major product is the Galaxy GFold, Samsung's first tri-folding smartphone. Unlike previous foldables, this model can unfold into a full 10-inch tablet-like screen and fold back into a 6.5-inch compact phone. What's more exciting is that this model won't be limited to South Korea. It's expected to launch in the US and global markets as well. The Galaxy GFold will reportedly be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, the same one expected inside the Galaxy S26 Ultra, making it one of the most powerful devices Samsung has ever created. However, innovation comes with a cost. Early rumors suggest the GFold could be priced around $3,000, positioning it as a premium flagship for tech enthusiasts. Between the Galaxy S26 Ultra's groundbreaking display, the Galaxy XR headset's entry into the mixed reality world, and the ambitious tri-folding Galaxy GFold, Samsung seems ready to dominate multiple segments of the market in 2025. The coming months will be packed with announcements, and expectations are sky-high. Whether it's redefining smartphone privacy, advancing display technology, or competing head-to-head with Apple in the XR and foldable spaces, Samsung is clearly aiming to lead the next wave of innovation. The countdown to the Galaxy S26 Ultra's reveal has begun, and this time, it's not just another upgrade. It's shaping up to be a statement from Samsung that the future of smartphones is not just brighter, but also smarter, more private, and more versatile than ever before.